The Expert Series is brought to you by Draw It Paint, a dry erase paint company that allows you to create the exact space you want. Our products are designed for performance, engineered for durability, and manufactured for quality. Draw It Paint's 3 formulas will allow you to reach every possibility. Behold your best work.
Kind of touching on millennials, I understand you have a second Instagram page.
Yes.
Can you tell us a little bit about that?
So my second Instagram page is the Millennial Taxpert, and it came about because I'm in the tax industry. I've been working in the tax industry for over 10 years now, and I now, like I said, I'm in corporate America where I'm working in corporate taxes, but my background is still in personal income tax, small businesses, and I still work with individuals and small businesses as well. And just answering their questions all the time and just seeing people ask questions in different places, whether it be on Facebook or Reddit or just some random place. I just understand that a lot of people don't get taxes. They don't understand it. Even the simplest questions that you can think of when it comes to tax, or at least simple for me because I've been doing it for so long, they don't understand. And also taxes are very scary to a lot of people. And, you know, a lot of people just kind of don't even want to deal with it. They shut down when they even hear the word tax. And it can be very boring to learn about to people who are not in the industry, even the people in the industry. I sit through some tax classes and I'm like, I can't wait for this to be over. So I created a Millennial Taxpert because I wanted to have a place, a resource specifically for small business owners, but also other tax professionals to be able to learn more about taxes in a way that it makes it simple, so it makes it easy for them to understand, so that they can kind of have some knowledge, even if they're not preparing their own tax return, that they can understand how taxes will affect their personal or business taxes, so that they can just have a little bit of more or knowledge about, you know, what their tax situation is. Because a lot of people don't know. A lot of people really have absolutely no clue even about their own tax situation. They don't know how much money they make. They don't know what kind of deductions they can take. They don't know what kind of credits they qualify for. And this is their own personal situation. And as an accountant, it boggles my mind because I'm like, you should know that. You should know your financial situation, but a lot of people don't. And so in the tax law is, you know, the IRS code is huge. And so there's so much in there, and it's all legalese. People don't understand the words that are written on the page. And so there's so much in there that people just don't even look. And so I created the Millennial Taxpert to be able to provide videos and ebooks and e-courses eventually. And I'm actually in the process of working on a tax academy for up-and-coming tax professionals to learn about taxes in a way that is simple and makes it easy for them to understand, so they at least have some kind of background. So when they do go to their tax professionals, in the case of a small business owner, that they understand what's on the page. Even if they don't necessarily get why it's on the page, they know what those numbers mean, so that they can understand that, you know, this is why I owe, or this is why I don't owe, or, you know, this is what I need to do to avoid having to owe in the future. Because again, even if you don't, my philosophy is, even if you don't prepare your own taxes, you should have an understanding of your financial situation.